What causes white smoke in two-stroke locomotive engines? The answer to this question would be that is the engine running on lack of fuel or in a lean fuel mixture. This condition will lead to overheating and failure of the engine. How does a supercharger work in a car? A supercharger is an air compressor that increases the presence or density of air supplied to an internal combustion engine. This gives each intake cycle of the engine more oxygen, letting it burn more fuel and in turn doing more work and ultimately increasing the power output. The perfect answer to this question would be a supercharger is used to increase the volume of air dragged into each cylinder per stroke. In combustion engines, there are only two ways to increase power. Firstly, increase the amount of fuel in the engine. Or secondly, increase the amount of air in the engine. What is the difference between hydraulic oil and engine oil? Engine oils contain additives to combat contamination by combustion products. These are not needed in hydraulic oils. The answer to this question would be hydraulic oils are expected to have very low compressibility and very predictable friction and viscosity stability under pressure. Engine oils are intended to have high resistance to heat, to burning and resistance to absorption of fuel and chemical compounds produced during combustion.